Let's look at the difference between contained selections and intersected selections. Let's go ahead and get into our edit menu, preferences, and we want to go ahead and get into the edit panel. In the marquee selection section, we see select intersected objects is usually selected out of the box by default, or select contained objects. Now select contained objects will only select those items that is fully contained within a marquee, so that even though my marquee is crossing the plane of the space cabinet, it will not select it because it is not fully contained. So if I want to make a selection across the bounds of all of these architectural elements and component assemblies, I'm only going to select anything that is fully contained. Now, if I switch my selection mode to an intersected mode and try to make that same marquee selection, you're going to see that now I've got my wall selected as well. Same thing, if I just make a selection and it runs through the bounds of this base cabinet, it's still going to select that base cabinet because it's intersected by the plane of my marquee selection. I like to operate in contained selection mode. I feel like it gives me better control over the selections I'm making and very quick and easy control over those contained selections.